Hume Masterpanel is an Australian-owned and operated company established more than half a century ago. At its Bundamba factory near Brisbane, the company has started manufacturing hydro-mulch wood fibre, challenging international exporters for a slice of the local market.
There's nobody else in Australia that makes wood fibre, thermomechanically refined wood fibre, and basically all the rest of it has been bought in from the US until now.
So what we're doing here is in direct competition to imported product.
However, due to the state government's reluctance to approve New Acland Stage 3, the company can no longer access coal from Acland, and this is having an impact on the business.
Early days, but it's added a lot to it. It's really something that we got to look at in the next couple of runs and see if it's feasible to actually do it now.
We've had just yesterday informed our customer on basically the cost change and how dramatic it is.
Unfortunately, without coal to fire their boilers, it will not be viable for the company to continue manufacturing the product.
Well, it wouldn't be feasible to make the product. And if it's not feasible to make the product, there's probably half of the people here would lose their jobs. We went down the path of gas, I think about 7 or 8 years ago. Well, it's about 4 times more expensive to go to gas. Just the gas price, and for what thermal value you get from it, it's 4 times the amount, which would certainly put us out of business straight away.
The state government offered to supply the factory with coal from one of its power stations. However, this is not an option for Hume.
The specifications of the coal, and it's certainly not suited to our boiler. It's very dirty coal. It wouldn't pass our EPA if we were to go onto that coal. So we'd be shut down through the government for that.
Despite their efforts to provide employment to local workers, Hume is disappointed the state government won't step in and resolve the issue.
Just disappointed, we're an Australian company, we've been here a long time, developing new products to stay in business and to support, people in this town, which we have done since 1956, basically. People paid off homes, and then all of a sudden you get to this and you're not getting the support you think you would from the government. I mean, they're looking at, I know it's been on TV, the 150 people associated with the mine, but then you look down further and you've got the truck drivers, and you've got companies like us that are trying to stay alive.